Okay, so this is the quiz on arrays. Which of the methods below does not change the array it is called on? .push, .slice, .pop, .shift, .slice. What will be printed to the console? Fruits, apples, oranges, pears, mangoes. Fruits at index 2 equal bananas, 0, 1, 2. So it's going to be apples, oranges, bananas, mangoes. Apple, oranges, bananas, and mangoes. Okay, next. What will be logged to the console when we run the code below? Cities, Chicago, San Francisco, New York. Console.log cities at index 3. Unfortunately, there's no index 3 within this array, 0, 1, 2. So undefined. How can you find how many elements are within an array? myArray.findLength. No, myArray.length. What will be logged to the console when we run the code below? Const myArray equals item 0, item 1, item 2. myArray.push item 3, myArray.pop, console.log myArray. So item 3 will be added using the .push array method. So it's 0, 1, 2, and 3, and then myArray.pop will remove it. So it will be 0, 1, 2. How could you access the second item line in the following code block? So this is 0. This is at index 1. Animal array index 1. What is the purpose of an array? To store data in an organized fashion. To organize data at related positions. To store data only of the same type. To organize data in key value pairs. To store data in an organized fashion. What is the value of top priority? Const errands, go to the bank, pick up the dry cleaning, go grocery shopping, const top priority errands.index of, pick up dry cleaning. So this is at index 1, 0, 1. What is the correct syntax for an array? Let myArray equal repel into a cave, take a falconry class, learn to juggle. Let myArray repel into a cave, take a falconry class, learn to juggle. It's this one. You can't use semicolons in between. What will happen after running the following code? Const countries Japan, Denmark, Mexico, Morocco. Countries.shift. Console.log countries. Countries equal England, Mozambique, Cambodia, Peru. Console.log countries. The second one wasn't the second countries. The countries was reassigned, but no array object was added to it. Okay, so, but the countries that will be logged to the console is Japan, Denmark, and Mexico, because .shift removed the very last one. Japan, Denmark, Mexico. Assignment to constant variable. Sorry, Denmark, Mexico, Morocco. .shift removes the first one. Denmark, Mexico, Morocco. That's it.